another everyday getaway.
Hey, good morning. Here we are in Klein Bonaire, and we're going to find ourselves a beach, and we're going to start off snorkeling this morning. So we invite you to come along and see all this beauty. You can check out the beautiful Explorer of the Seas behind us, and we're looking forward to a great day. So make sure you continue to watch. So we are going to take a water taxi over to Klein Beach. Klein means little. So this is Bonaire. That is Klein Bonaire or Little Bonaire. And it's the same name as Calvin Klein. So I guess Calvin Klein is Little Calvin? I don't know. But water taxi is that thatch roof place in the background. And we believe it's $20 round trip. We'll let you know if it's different. So this is actually our water taxi, not the one that we saw. And it's like a catamaran that's changed up so that you can get some shade, but zip over and back and sit while you do it. Get off in the water on some little steps. You can snorkel in the light blue and the dark blue water. Otherwise you have to go down and go past the reef. And we do have sandy beaches here. And look, lizards crossing the road here. Let's see if we can get you closer to this lizard.
I got 5 minutes.
Yep, he's on the move. So Doug and Corbin got suited up with those full face masks for snorkeling. They like those a little bit better. And then Doug, where did y'all head first?
We started off right at the beginning in the spot right where we got off the boat or the taxi, a little bit shallower there. It got deep awful quickly. And then we saw quite a few fish. And then we decided to later move down where the coral reef was.
The sand there, when you get into the water, you sink really quickly. So it's kind of interesting, even right on the edge of the water, the way the sand is, you just you sink down in. So it's kind of hard to walk in, but snorkeling was great. I tried to snorkel there and I didn't do so well. So I think I'm just going to sit and watch while the guys snorkel. So the guys snorkeled in this area for a long time. They saw tons of fish, had a great time. I enjoyed so much just sitting and enjoying the waves, the water, and looking at this beauty. I'm going to give you a 360 here so you can see what's on this beach itself. So you can snorkel all the way down past that grass line. That's where the reef starts. There are 2 shady spots. I took up under one of these for a little bit, and it was a nice place just to sit and enjoy what was going on. There's a grassy area, and then you can walk around that right side as well and walk up and snorkel that direction. And just look at the beautiful sand and then those 2 colors of water. It's absolutely gorgeous. And here's another lizard friend I made. He's just chilling and strolling around, but I think I scared him here pretty quickly. And he's gone. Right, at this point, the guys are down snorkeling by that boat, and Doug said that that's where they saw lots of fish. Is that correct?
Yeah, there were lots of fish, lots and lots of fish out there. It was simply really gorgeous.
If you go over to the right, past that boat, down towards the end, when they hit the reef, they talked about how beautiful the coral was.
And there's a path that you can swim through that the coral is on your right. Once you get out there, you can go around to the front of it and look into it. The colors were just wonderful. Not as many fish over there, but the coral is huge and really, really bright.
I wish they would have had an underwater camera for me since I couldn't do that. It sounds absolutely gorgeous, and I would have loved to have seen it.
If you can see the dark area right out here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's straight out. That is like getting dropped into a fish aquarium. The coral that's out there is gorgeous, very colorful. The fish are huge and colorful, absolutely gorgeous.
All right, so how was your experience overall?
This place is gorgeous, it's really gorgeous. Some of the best snorkeling I've ever done. We've been to some nicer beaches, but the snorkeling here is just outstanding.
I'm gonna lift you up. This is what's behind us. My head out of the way.
I do want to say, if you come here and you're going downtown and you're just booking it, you're just grabbing a taxi, a water taxi out here, I would get as early as possible so you can get here before the crowd starts showing up.
And there were 3 water taxi companies. There's Epic, which we did not take, Caribe Water Sports, which is the one we did take, and I don't know the name of the third, but ours did a great job.
And I think that Epic goes through the cruise lines. One that we went on, we just went downtown. There's a restaurant bar, and you just get your tickets at that restaurant bar. That you can't miss it. And it puts about a 15-minute ride out.
Yeah, and it's the place that we purchased through. It's like a thatched roof place right on the water, and it says water taxi on the side.
And there's different options too. We just came out to this one spot, but they do. I think they said they do 3 different stops.
They do.
But it's really gorgeous. I highly recommend.
This boat that's coming in is picking up people. You ride this little tender boat out to that what looks like a pirate ship, and you have to climb on the side. You can see people loading up here.
And one thing I would say about this is, if you take one of these tours like that, you're kind of set on when you have to return. If you take the water taxi, it comes every hour until like 3:45. So every hour, it just comes out here, and you can choose when you want to go back. So that's a lot nicer, I think, and it's cheaper.
Water taxi's coming. Now you do get on and off in the water, but there are steps. So we will see if I can film and do that without falling.
Welcome to the lifestyles of the rich and famous. This is an Azure beachfront restaurant, so I take it this must be a resort and hotel slash beachfront. Lots of fun stuff. And just like that, we're back to where we were this morning, back to where we got on the taxi. We're going to head back down towards the ship, and Doug and Corbin are going to snorkel a little bit right by the ship, and then we're going to have lunch, change clothes, and come back out and see what's to do in town.
You can get off the ship once you come out of the port, turn right, and for free you can come down these stairs and you can snorkel right by the ship.
Oh,
Okay? See ya. Hi.
I don't see myself. I don't see myself.
Oh, don't see you. Let's see. I got to get my head in here maybe a little bit.
Hi.
There you are.
Welcome to Bonaire.
Let's see if we move it down. Oh, let's go this way. Oh, there you are. Hi.
Hi.
If you want to go and not travel very far, you can get right off the ship and get right in the water and go swimming.
All right, so we're adventuring downtown and we stepped into the Bonaire
Sea salt.
Sea Salt Company and we purchased some salt. Comes with a grinder and extra salt so that we'll have something when we get back home from here, but also something that we can use from here.
That's right.
And look behind us at this beautiful mural.
Okay, this is the donut factory in Bonaire. It just recently opened. It opened up 6 months ago. And the owners are 23 years old. And it was delicious. We really enjoyed it. So if you're out here in Bonaire, check out the donut factory.
Alright, so how was the donut?
It was good. It was real fresh. It had good flavor. I really liked it.
And we even got a spider on the top. Sailing away from a port is always sad. This is our last views of Kralendijk, Bonaire as we sail away. But we had a beautiful day there, and now we're going to go get some dinner and recap the day. Just got back to the room and we got a puppy. So cute.
His name's Ruby.
Ruby with an I. R-U-B-I.
We had such a good time in Bonaire today. We met some subscribers
Yes, we did.
that actually live here. So we had a good time snorkeling. We had some of the local food. We had a good time. It was really good.
Yes, we did. We bought some things at the market. We got some salt so that we can try this natural sea salt from Bonaire, and it was absolutely gorgeous everywhere we went today. So thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, take care of others, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button. so that you can catch up with us on our next trip.
Bye-bye.
Close. Enjoy the sunset from Bonaire and
Join us next time as we spend a beautiful day in the Port of Kralendijk.